We got called here. We didn't just show up.
Put your feet in the car. Put your feet in the car.
Why the fuck do you have a taser? He have a motherfucking handcuffs on. Put the taser away. That just shows that he cannot handle this man without that taser. That means you need to hit the motherfucking gym. Treat the taser like a motherfucking firearm. Treat it like that. Because a taser can kill somebody.
Put your feet in the car. Put your feet in the car. Close it. Curcio.
He was handling himself in the same manner that.
But it doesn't matter.